Lisa Eitel, Senior Motion Editor with Design World.
And I'm Miles Budemer, Senior Motion Editor with Design World.
On a recent trip to the Mitsubishi Electric Automation Facility in Illinois, I got the chance to meet with several engineers, including PLC Product Manager Deanna Fu. After our meeting, Deanna shipped us a demo that includes Mitsubishi Electric's new IQF controller CPU module, an FX5U32M, as well as a simple add-on motion module, the FX5 motion module you see, as well as a small HMI and some I/O. They also supplied us with Melsoft GX Works 3 software, which we downloaded to our PC so we could test how to program a whole application together. So as you can see, the IQF series controller setup is compact. Billed as a PLC for standalone or networked system applications, it's based on the company's existing controller series to deliver the control of some predecessors, but with new functionalities for better performance and user experience.
Besides other features, the controllers have networking functions or more advanced controllers to unify connectivity and programming with other automation components. And that gives OEMs scalable control.
As Deanna explained in our meeting, the IQF series lets OEMs build automation systems faster and with fewer components. When paired with Mitsubishi Electric's D700 variable frequency drives, the compact controller can work as a smart drive control in water industry, irrigation, and pump applications. But there are discrete applications as well. Designers pick from the IQF series just what they need for the application axes, drives, and motors. So designers can pick from CPU modules, as we've noted, and I/O modules, as well as analog control modules, high-speed counting modules, simple motion and positioning control modules, like the one we have here, and network and communication modules. There are also optional bus modules that accommodate power supplies and battery lineups. Mitsubishi Electric has a video to illustrate how engineers can connect the IQF with several different FX5 modules, so check that out. For motion applications, the ability to use several modules lets engineers include even more functions for gearing, torque control, and linear and circular interpolation. That makes the controller work in food and beverage, packaging, and assembly equipment. For example, in packaging machines and pick and place, and machines for cutting wrappers to length.
So let's consider the HMI for just a moment, which is right here. When pairing the PLC with the GOT 2000 series graphical operator terminal, also from Mitsubishi Electric, the IQF series works for food and beverage applications that need recipe management during filling, sealing, and labeling, just to give one instance. So as we can see here, the demo that Deanna sent us has this kind of HMI. So this GT21 HMI was released earlier in 2015. It's probably the simplest and lowest cost option in the product line, but you get the idea. On this simple unit, the LCD touchscreen lets the user pick between a white, green, pink, orange, or red backlight. More importantly, it gives you direct access to simple motion functions. Multi-axis programs are also controllable right from the HMI itself.
Adding functions with expansion modules is easy. With this setup, we have a simple motion module, FX540 SSCS. Getting back to the FX modules, just for one final comment, the FX5 Deanna sent with this demonstration gives us motion functionality for synchronous control, cam control, and speed torque control for up to 4 axes over the network to let users get control in an intuitive format. Check out the video from Mitsubishi Electric about physical features of the FX5 modules.
So in summary, the IQF series controller has a host of embedded functions, including analog and digital I/O, positioning control, data logging, serial, and Ethernet links. But we need to mention one last item here. The final tool for engineers putting these automation components to use is Mitsubishi's GX Works 3 PLC programming software. In short, GX Works 3 is the latest generation of programming and maintenance software to write programs for systems using these Mitsubishi controls. There's a choice between programming in ladder logic or function blocks, sequential function charts, and structured text. we found that the GXWorks 3 knew which components we had when we connected the demos I/O to our PC via a Ethernet cable, and there were already pre-installed object libraries and dated references as well. The software also lets users use third-party partner function blocks and share across multiple projects as well.
So for more information from Mitsubishi Electric and Design World on these motion components, visit MitsubishiElectric.com or MotionControlTips.com and search IQ-F. Thanks for watching.